Hey dudes, so day 4 is in the books. I just want to let you guys know that stepped on the scale this morning. I'm at 340.8, so I'm pretty excited with what's going on. I hope you're excited what's going on with you. Remember, you can always follow me on my fitness pal at Van Normus, and I'll follow you back, and we can like each other's posts and give each other motivation. It'd be amazing. As for today, just a typical day. A trip to McDonald's, a trip to Del Taco, and got almost 3,000 calories. I think I was about 100 short. I was only 100 short. 2 meals today, 100 calories short. You know, that's why we're unorthodox, because who else is going to tell you to go lose weight eating fast food if you have to, and the single serving stuff. Just on that, I got some more videos coming. We have some ideas coming out. So like I said, I wanted to do this because this is what motivates me to keep doing YouTube. But also I like the chug videos and the eating videos too. And we got some other videos coming out like that. But go ahead. Oh, what? Huh? Oh, this is where YouTubers say, follow me on Patreon. Go get a shirt at vannormus.com. And what else? Oh yeah, like and subscribe.